Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bowen Ascension. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to draw the Ace family. I guess we can call it the YouTube series where I draw a bunch of YouTubers just recommended by you guys. So comment down below who you guys want me to draw next. But yeah, if you guys don't know who the Ace family is, they're very positive people, very inspiring as well. And they do daily vlogs. Right now they're doing Vlogmas. Anyway, if you guys don't know who they are, I'll put a picture up here. That way you guys can go follow them and go watch them and support them. Without further ado, let's get into this video and I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be drawing the Ace family, as you can see from the title. To start up the drawing, I really wanted to capture their happiness and capture that positive energy that they give off in every single one of their videos. And to start off, I posed them in something they'd be doing every single day. So vlogging is what they do. So and I tried my best to really capture their faces and their body frames and how they actually look. But beforehand, I will say that I did draw a few sketches of them just to get the design down and for them to look like them, because it is quite a challenge to draw people in a cartoon way. But hopefully you guys do appreciate it and enjoy it. I had a lot of fun drawing these characters, and you've seen me a couple times mess up on their faces, like for example this one where the baby head is too big, but no biggie, you can always go back and fix it. As well as Austin, I did end up changing his design when I started drawing digitally. The original design was a bit different, but it's kind of try and error. You change it up as you go along. It's your drawing at the end of the day. You can do whatever you want with it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you guys do find it informative or can take something away from it, or just find it entertaining, be sure to like it and subscribe and tap that little notification bell so you guys can be notified. So anyway, back to the drawing. It took me about, I'd say 3 hours to complete. It was quite challenging because I never really draw I wouldn't say family members, but I don't really draw these type of characters. I draw mostly comic book characters and superheroes. It's what I love to do. And drawing this was nice. It was very different. It was very challenging, but I enjoyed it. I'm happy how it turned out. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you guys do enjoy this video, like I said, be sure to like it and comment what you guys want me to do next. And when I chose the background, trouble choosing the background too, I didn't know exactly what to do, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a second. Now for the skin tones, for the outline, I guess I chose to go with a kind of skin tone color. And the reason I chose that was because they're not comic book characters, so I really wanted to change it up in this one. And I think it turned out well. It was very different to what I usually do, and I think it gives it a bit of realism. And that's kind of where my style, I guess, lands. It's kind of between real and not real. At least that's what I've been told. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this voiceover. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate all of you guys. And again, the support has been amazing. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all the comments and all the support you guys have been giving me. And with that said guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.
told me love was only in the movies. It don't exist in real life these days, no. But you should.
Alright guys, and that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, comment who you guys want me to do next. And Ace family, if you guys are watching this, thank you so much for what you do. You inspire a lot of people, me included. Also, thank you for the people watching. You guys have been, the response has been awesome. So thank you again. You guys are amazing. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next one.